The question today is whether we can actually make our Halloween decorations, the ones that we have in our brain that we think are going to work but we haven't even tried and it's Halloween day. The question is if we can make that work. Let's find out. That's what these two do all day. They just stand around and watch.
You want a white sheet?
We can, but it just said that white it won't show as vividly through there because it needs to be somewhat transparent.
Okay.
We can, you know.
Let's just try it. Alright, I've got decorations downloaded on the projector, and so the whole theme of this thing is to try to project the system onto our little opening here in the garage, and it's supposed to kind of look like 3D. I did a video last year during the Christmas time when I used this kind of digital decorating thing. The problem I'm having today is that I didn't get a chance to try this at night, so I don't know what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to have to kind of wing it here and see as we start to get darker, try to get everything put onto the screen here properly before everybody gets here. Just going to do my best here, but I wish I would add a little more time to figure that out. Oh yeah, we got smoke too. First time in my life that I've ever had a beard, or fake one, of course. You know what I think this painting needs? A little more happy trees. So far, major failing because it's still too bright outside. Until next year, thanks for watching.